What's up, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to my channel, Amelia Talks. Let's talk about it. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I apply my Kiss press-on nails. You can get these nails from Walgreens, CVS, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Amazon, Walmart. There's like so many stores you can get these nails from. They're pretty cheap. I found these in Walgreens for $7.99, and there was also a sale, 50% off. If you buy one, you'll get the second pair 50% off. There are also nails in the Family Dollar and Dollar General for $3. It's called press-on nails. I tried those out and I love them. But in this video, I'm going to show you all how I clean up my nails, how I file them, how I shape them or fit them to my nail bed, and how I apply them using glue. Now you can also use these press-on nails with adhesive tape if you know that you're going out on a Sunday and you know you have to go to work on Monday and your job won't allow you to have like fancy nails. You can use the adhesive tape, but this time in this video I will not be using adhesive tape. I will be using glue. So we'll go ahead and get started. Some of the things that come in this pack are 28 nails. The length is a size medium. They have small and they also have large. These nails last up to 7 days, but depending on what you have going on, you can wear these for like 2 weeks. I'm in the military, I'm in the Army, so I cannot wear these at work for 7 days and I cannot wear them for up to 2 weeks. So again, I just apply them with glue. If I have a 4-day or if I'm off for 3 days, I just use glue. I don't use too much because when it's time for me to take these off, I just generally soak them in some water, hot water or lukewarm water with some soap, and I let them soak, and then I take them off slowly without trying to damage my nail. So if you guys are interested in watching me apply my press-on nails, then please make sure you keep watching. Alright, so before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm sorry, you guys, that is my work laptop. I am teleworking, but welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. Also, in this Kiss pack nails, it comes with this file and this stick, and it also comes with glue. And I purchased this nail polish remover from Walgreens. The nails were from Walgreens, and I picked these two up, I think from Walmart or Walgreens. I think my husband got them, but either way, you can find these nail clippers. You can find all of these products at Walgreens, or you can find these products at Walmart. So we'll go ahead and get started. First, what I'm going to do is just cut my nails down a little bit around the edges, only because the way that these nails are shaped, I know that they might, like my edges, the edges of my nails might stick out a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them down. And my nails grow pretty fast, so depending on the length of the nails, you don't want them to be too long because you'll end up having to file them a lot around the corners. So just clean them up as if you're giving yourself a pedicure. Not a pedicure, but just clean them up as if you're giving yourself a manicure, or as if you were going to the actual nail shop. Because if you was going to the nail shop, they tend to cut your nails before they apply a full set. I am going to do that to the left and right hand. Do the same thing for the right hand. Next, I'm just going to clean up my cuticles a little bit. I had put some oil on these earlier, and you don't have to do this every time you get ready to apply press-on nails. It's just a preference. And see, I had already did it, so if you can see, there's like really nothing for me to get. I don't want to tag at my skin. Then I'm going to take the tools that came in the box. Just buff them a little. File them a little. Do this for the left and right hand. Now that I have my nails filed and buffed, I am gonna take some nail polish remover and just clean them up before I start sizing them. So you only need a little bit of nail polish remover for this process, and you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I just want to clean my nails from when I filed them, because as you can see, they look like this, and I'm just cleaning them up with polish remover. Simple, is really, really quick. Again, this is a personal preference. You don't have to do it. Now we will get to sizing our nails. The nails also have like numbers on it. So like this is a size 1. So you know, if you need a size 1 on your left hand, you'll probably need a size 1 on your right hand, but I will still measure both nails just to make sure that they both fit. So this is a size 1. And as you can see, the corner is off a little bit, so I probably need a size 0. This is a 0. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fit all of my nails, and after I fit all my nails, I will be back to show you how I glue them all on. So now that I have my nails all picked out, I am going to apply a little bit of glue to the nail. You can apply the glue to the inside of your nail, and you can apply it to the top of your nail. It just depends on how much glue you feel like taking off, or how strong of a hold you want your nail to be, your press-on nail to be. So I'm gonna put a dab, just a line. I just put a line, and I pressed and held the nail for 3 to 5 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next nail. So I always tend to make sure that the size fit again, a second time, basically a second time before I apply the glue, because I don't wanna get the nail and size it, and then one time to glue it, it don't fit like it's supposed to, even though I sized it. So press and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. And that's it. So I am on the 3rd nail. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all the rest of my fingers, so you don't have to sit through this. And then once I am finished, I will come back and show you the end result. All right, you guys, this is the end result of the press-ons. And I just put a little accessories with them to make them look really, really cute. But I love these. I did not know that press-ons were so cheap and convenient. I used to go sit in the nail salon and get my nails done. Sometimes I had to wait 20-30 minutes, and I just got tired of taking them on, taking them off, because after a while, if you have your nails on for like 2-3 months, especially if you're getting clear back to back, your nails start looking yellow through the acrylic and through the gel, and it's just too expensive, and I just want to switch it up every now and then. So I am so glad I have been able to start using press-ons. The process is really simple and it's very affordable. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or if there was something that I didn't do or left out, then of course leave it in the description box below. If you want to put some cuticle lotion or some oil after you get finished with putting your press-ons on, that is your personal preference. But again, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.